circles today. I love getting away from the city, getting into nature where it's tranquil. I can relax, I can think, I can really be one with nature. Once you start seeing things that you've designed and you've created, you start seeing them in nature, and you want to mimic what nature's done, because if you fight Mother Nature, you're going to lose. So I do try to mimic what's in nature when I design a mine reclamation project. A geological engineer is a mix between a mining engineer, a civil engineer, an environmental engineer, and a geotechnical engineer. I do all of those things. I do mine reclamation, I do surface water, I do geotechnical engineering, I've done some groundwater work, I do road planning, grading plans. I do anything on a mine except the actual mining and the processing. I've had a lot of projects with a lot of challenges. The Pikeview quarry here had significant challenges. Before Stantec came onto the project, there was a landslide, actually a series of landslides where the whole pit wall failed. This site is highly visible from most of Colorado Springs, so they wanted it to disappear. So there was political pressure, there's community pressure, there's client pressure, and we had to navigate all of those to come up with the best solution. We've reclaimed almost 150 acres of what was previously the disturbed mine, and we've planted 31,000 trees and shrubs. How many people can say they've planted 31,000 shrubs? I love seeing a project come to completion. A lot of times as engineers, we design something and we send it off, we never know what happens to it. This one I could actually see be constructed. I helped it be constructed. I was here continuously, and seeing the project come together really makes you feel good, and then seeing it to completion, it's like, wow, we built that, we designed that. That came out of my team's mind. Stantec's just these large projects, these world-class mine reclamation projects, I don't see other companies doing those at the level that we're doing them. Everything we need right now is from mining. You can't grow plants without the fertilizer that came from a mine. You can't drill an oil well without the steel that came from a mine. So we need those resources to create everything that we have. One of the reasons I love doing this work is that you feel like you're doing something good. You're taking an impacted area and you're turning it back to nature, and you're giving it something that is usable. And many times it actually will be better than what it was before. So I came into this job, into this industry to help the environment. A lot of people, they want to go out and they want to save the world, and they're trying to do that by fighting all the companies that are developing mines, they're developing natural resources. I feel like I'm saving the world by helping them. I'm Paul, and I'm a senior geological engineer at Stantec.